Welcome to Reviews with Every Other Carl. Today I'm reviewing two things: BPM fat tire e-bikes and riding them at Cocoa Beach in Florida. This past weekend my friends and I tried these out on the beach. It was the best decision we made all weekend. We got two kinds of bikes: the BPM F-15X and the BPM F-95. We rented them for 4 hours from a place called Beac Bum Rentals for $40. We absolutely got our money's worth. They're basically little electric dirt bikes that you can pedal if you need to. These particular ones have fat tires so you can go off-road with them. They go up to 25 or 30 miles an hour, and we rode them for about 14 miles. Now the second part of this review is actually riding these things on Cocoa Beach in Florida. Now, my 4 friends and I came down to Cocoa Beach to go surfing. You can watch my surfing experience in the last video. But all of us agreed that these bikes were actually the best part of the weekend. That's about it for my review. Like, comment, subscribe if you will. See you in the next one.